Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutara Walandari. I will like to read our journal the use of podcast in improving students' listening skill of senior high school. Introduction. Indonesia is one of countries that studies English as a foreign language. In Indonesia, learning English is still limited because English class hours at high school level are reduced. As the Indonesian government has a slogan to prioritize Indonesian, preserve regional language and master foreign language. This shows that the mastery of English is mandatory, but the policies issued relate to the reduction of English learning hours are felt to have hampered the English learning process of high school students to Indonesian. This limited English learning causes less than the maximum teaching of listening because its general learning prioritizes the theories related to grammar, the types of text, which are generally not related to the listening learning precision that requires the English audio and student worksheets in working on listening question. This effort and more attention are needed from educators and educational institutions to be able to teach English to students. According to, listening is a skill that is the basic for studying speaking and writing. Thus, if students do not have good listening skills, they will find difficulties in learning to write and speak in English. Listening is the translation of spoken language and consists of the popularity of the sources of sounds. In addition, added that listening is an ability to focus and pay full attention to something. Based on some of the meanings, researchers concluded that the listening skill is a basic skill in learning English that needed someone's concentration against something to get the meaning of what they listen to. Related to this, English can be taught by using technology. As we know, that technology today develops increasingly more sophisticated from year to year. According to learning by using technology can provide the latest innovation. It means that by utilizing technology in learning process, educators are made easier to teach and students are made easier to learn. One media of technology that can be used to support the learning process is by using podcasts. Instead, the podcast is a form broadcast in the form of audio that can be accessed and downloaded from online application using smartphone, laptop, and computer. In teaching listening skill, educator can use podcast. Podcast is one of the fun media the teacher can use. Podcast is an audio that can be listened directly or live along with the times. At this time, podcast is also accompanied by visual video, making it easier for students to listen to the words of the speaker while looking at their pronunciation directly. Thus, researchers can conclude the podcast is the latest media that can be used by teachers to teach listening to students. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.